Hello, my name is Miriam Makeba. I work as a tobacco control advocate. I work with KETCA, that is primarily. And on the other side, I'm also part of Nairobi Advocacy Chapter. And of course, you can't, when you talk about NCDs, you also link them with tobacco being one of the risk factors. So it has been an honor to be part of the conference. And that is also, of course, thanks to NCD Alliance Kenya. And what I've learned the most is that the NCD burden is rising and it is not decreasing. And even though there is the recognition of this, it is still underfunded, and also there is lack of action. And so for me as a youth advocate, what I am going to do is raise my voice even higher and engage the policymakers more so that we can get more funding for NCDs and get it even more recognition that it requires.